Okay guys, so this is an inside look of the Crush Stage Fright video course. So first of all, if you only purchase the book, you're going to see this module right here, and that's going to say Start. If you haven't done the video course upgrade, which if you haven't, you're crazy. But if you haven't, this wouldn't say Start, it would say Buy Now. So you could still add that later, but the price will go up if you do it that way if you don't add it right when you buy it. So if you got the book, I'm going to show you inside. You just click Start, and this takes you to the course. So here's the book, and you can either click on this Start button right here, or you can go to the section, which is, well, there's only 2 sections here. So you will receive an email with your username and password once you sign up and after you pay. If you don't get that email, send me an email to make sure that we get that taken care of so you can get in right away. So if we click on the book, I'll show you what you're going to get. This is the Crush Stage Fright ebook, which has a ton of information inside on crushing the fear of stage fright. And it does give you a link to join our private Facebook group. I know that I said that's only for video members, but right now I'm allowing just the book purchasers to also be added to the group. That's probably going to be taken away soon, so best to just get the video course upgrade. So you can download the book in e-publishing format or PDF, and then if you click here, you're going to get your 3 bonuses, which is the quick start guide, the speech writing template, and the mind map. Now, if you upgraded to the video course, let me show you inside of this. And this is currently what's inside. Keep in mind that I'm going to be adding content to this on a regular basis. As more questions come up, I just had another question come up and I posted a video just for that customer. But of course, I'm going to share that video with everybody who's in the course. So this is a little bit more robust when you have the video course. There's a welcome video, so this is where you're going to want to start, kind of give you an idea of what's inside. Now, just like before, you can either click on these separate modules or you can go up to the section and you can click on the videos. And as you can see, we have a whole bunch of videos in there already. Currently, at the time of this recording, there's over 200 minutes of educational videos. So let's open that in a new tab to show you inside. All right, so once you get here, you just kind of read this first because sometimes there's useful information in these boxes. Then you're just going to scroll down. So this is a video that I just grabbed off of YouTube. I actually posted this in the newsletter as well. So this is not considered part of the course. I just thought it was really good to give you an idea of where stage fright actually comes from. But then the course starts here with video number 1. And for example, if I'll show you this one, I'll open that in a new tab. These videos, they're all different lengths. But for example, this one, that's 10 minutes. That's just the starting out video. Speaking for dollars, how to become the speaker that everybody wants. And these ones here in the white boxes, those are all PowerPoint presentations. And they have a lot of detail, so don't skip those. And then we get into the headshot stuff, or shoulder and head video footage. That's me right there, the bald guy. And I give you a talk here about building your speaking confidence. And then I have some guest speakers right over here. This guy, John Moyer, is a really good hypnotist, and he's got some powerful ideas on crushing stage fright. This is one of the top cruise directors with Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and he shares an amazing story about how he was able to overcome his personal stage fright. It almost cost him his entire career, but he was able to push past it using some of the same techniques that we teach in this program. How to warm up your voice. This is actually a video of me on my way to a speaking gig at a corporate event. How to write a speech, how to handle hecklers, and the elephant in the room. That's one of my favorites. There's a free version of this on YouTube. However, I leave out the most important parts, so only people who are members of the Crush Stage Fright video course will get to see my personal favorite way to handle hecklers. Same with this video here. There is a YouTube version of this, but I leave out the key points that I hold only for the members of this group. Body language, gesturing, and killer bees. You'll have to watch the video to see what I'm talking about with the killer bees. This is a personal story about the importance of practice and how it actually saved my butt recently. How to get a standing ovation and whether you really need to try to get one. I love that video. let's see. Take a look at that one. Yeah, that's a 20-minute video, so there's a lot of good content in here. This is talking about taking beta blockers and how some people use that to crush their stage fright. That's a 12-minute video. Now let's go into another section. So those are the videos we have right now. Most of the videos you can also download just the audio, so you can listen to these when you're in your car or when you're working out, whenever you're on the go. I didn't put all of the videos in audio format because some of them are too visual. So if you weren't watching the video, it really wouldn't make sense. But I'll give you an idea how these work. You just have to go down and you click on it. I'm going to click on it in another tab. There we go. And it just automatically gives you the download, the John Moyer interview, and you just click save, and then you have it. All right, now let's go to the next section. Self-hypnosis. So if you're not aware, I am a hypnotist. And what I've done is I've put together some hypnosis audio downloads that you can just listen to. And these are literally going to reprogram your mind to make you more confident. It's going to make you less afraid to speak, and it's going to boost your confidence. So this is my favorite one here. This I made specifically for this course. This is the Crush Stage Fright with NLP and hypnosis. I'm also a certified neuro-linguistic programming practitioner. So I've combined hypnosis and NLP in this audio, and all you got to do is listen to it, and it'll really help you to overcome that fear. This one is reduce stress with hypnosis. This one, you can use this even if it's not about public speaking. Anytime you feel stressed, this is going to give you a physical anchor that will allow you to just immediately calm yourself. Boost your memory and concentration so you can remember your speeches. Boost your self-confidence with hypnosis. Not sure why that photo's not loading, but it is there. I'm on a cruise ship recording this, so my internet connection is not the best. And then over here, these are just some videos from the YouTube channel. I just wanted to put those in here so you'd have easy access to everything. Those you could always go on YouTube and watch them for free without being a member. And the surprise bonuses. Now, I wasn't going to show you what's in here, but I'll give you a sneak peek. And I'm always adding to this as well. And once you're a member, you will get anything that's ever added in the future. So, procrastination deactivation with hypnosis. This is freaking awesome if you're the kind of person who has a plan, but you don't take action on it. This will get you moving to really make your goals your achievements. It'll turn your goals into your achievements. Banish insomnia with hypnosis. This is something you could listen to the night before a speech to guarantee that you get a really good night's rest. This one I threw in. It's an entire book about mastering public speaking. I threw that in for free. I made this pre-speech rituals checklist that I personally use before I'm going into an important speech to make sure I've got everything covered before stepping onto that stage. And this right here is just one of my favorite speeches. You got to watch this guy. He is just so dynamic, and the message will also get you super motivated and super pumped up to do something great. So those are the behind the scenes looks. We're going to be adding content in the future. And if you have anything that you would like me to personally add, just send me an email to chad@leadershipmindpower.com and I'll see what I can do. Thank you so much, and I will see you on stage. So long.